I know so many accessories take so long to install in your car, and it takes time and it takes effort, but today I'm gonna show you some accessories that will just take 30 seconds. I'm not even lying. 30 seconds to install in your car, and it will have a very good look in your car because it has RGB light, it has a clock. So I'm gonna review that product, but let me tell you one thing. This product you can buy 18% off using my coupon code ANANTO, ANANTO, and this product is from Test Studio, who makes some incredible Tesla accessories. So I'm gonna review the product, unbox it, and show you how to mount it in your car. So let's check it out, guys.
So here is the box that will open. Look like a solid box with photo of the product in the front. After we opened it, we can see it's covered with a soft foam or cushion. And after removing that, we can see the product. It looks and feels solid. One thing I want to mention that the silver outline of the product matches the Tesla Model Y silver liner design. And it feels and look OEM. It has one Airpods charging dock. You are sacrificing one wireless charger of your car, but other one will be open for your phone. But previously you can't charge your AirPods because it will not align with your wireless charger. But now you can with this product. It has a display on the front and a button which you can control the menu on the display surely. So it is a device that is not plug-in but play device. You don't have to plug it anywhere. How it works is it will take the power from right side of the wireless charger and give the RGB light enough power to light up. And with these other two lights, which can mount on the foot area or anywhere you want on the left side or on the right side, and it has double-sided tape to mount it. So with the magic of editing, we are in the car, so it's very easy to align and set it up. So what you have to do, as I was saying, you don't need to connect any cable. You just have to align the front section of the product to the wireless charger area and push in the bottom. If you want to use it permanently, then they also put some double-sided tape on the bottom so it stays more securely. After you push that RGB product will sit on the charging station and take a second to turn on. So as you guys can see, that other two light bar also turns on, and it has double-sided tape to mount on the left side of the car and right side of the car. You can definitely hide those cable and you can easily mount those over there. I'm in daylights, but still you can see those clear light, and it is very bright, very beautiful. But at the night, I'm pretty sure that this light will make your car beautiful. So what I will do, I will definitely take some videos at night so that you guys can see that. So we are back at the night time because I just want to show you guys how it performs at night. So here we are. So here is the menu. You can see the clock. If I swipe right, you can choose any color you want to be in the RGB light. And then if you swipe one more time, you can choose effects. Breathing effects is slowly the light will pop up. In the voice, when you talk, there will be an equalizer effect. And then the roll is the gradient light of all colors, and it will slowly change its color. And the light effect is a solid color that you can also do. And the next thing is to turn off or on the display. If you press on, then the display will turn off after a few minutes, and if you choose off, then the display will never turn off. And then the third menu is language. I prefer English, so I choose that one. If I swipe one more time, there is a color wheel where I can choose so many colors, whatever I prefer. And the third and last option is brightness. I choose 10, and sound effect is also 10. And if you swipe all the way on the right side, we have another menu where you can see all the settings that I choose blue color, the effect is light, and my display is off. That means it's gonna turn on all the time. And now we are gonna see these two light bar where you can attach those using 3M tape, and you can just attach on the left side one of these and on the right side one of these, and it will give a very nice ambient light effect which will look great on your your cars. So guys, if you want to buy this product, just go to Tesla Studios and use my code ANANTO, ANANTO, and you can save 18%. Yes, and it is completely free. You just use my code and you'll get 18% off. And this is a very, very good product. They don't make any cheap product, cheap plastic or something like that. And as you guys can see, the RGB looks very, very good, right guys? So just click on the link on the description, purchase it, use it, and let me know in the comment what you think about this product, guys. And thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.